Sorry.
Can I touch it?
Touch now. Come and touch, Mama.
Don't bring it to me.
He's not bringing it to you. Come and touch it. Touch it.
Wait. Before you put on me again.
You not pour.
I mean, I don't want blessing on myself.
Yeah, you already have blessing. God has already blessed you. See?
It's so soft.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Come and touch. Oh,
It's not going. It's soft.
very soft.
Listen, come and touch.
And they are so calm. But they are not this calm. It's because there's something wrong with the flying, whatever, the wings. Yes.
I've seen where it's fractured. I've seen it.
From there.
He has seen it. You know he's a doctor. Ghana is closed now.